Hey guys, this is Jordan, Inverter Service Center. This week we've got a 2021 Fleetwood Discovery in here for a battery swap. This one's going to have a little bit of twist though, so stay tuned.
Hey everybody, I'm Steve-O and I'm here at Inverter Service Center because my piece of crap RV was giving me problems. I mean, I can never turn it on. My house battery was useless. And now I don't have to worry about anything because I'm powered by Battleborn and Inverter Service Center hooked me up. But let me tell you how we got here. I'm a touring artist. You might not know that, but I've got a comedy tour, and it's actually been going very well. I was renting a Prevost bus, which is the fancy kind that big stars use, but I found it so expensive that I decided to rent an RV. And I loved that enough that I said, you know what, I'm buying one. So I bought this piece of crap RV, put 60,000 miles on it in 2022 alone. I mean, I plan to tour even more, and I'm gonna get away with it no matter what. I don't have to worry about anything because these guys are hooking me up.
All right, so we got this thing in there yesterday. It was just completely filthy. These batteries were covered in years worth of dirt and grime and everything. Cables were all corroded up. So first thing we did, we just sprayed it down with some simple green, and then we went over and just hosed everything out. We did that over and over and over, and then we pulled the batteries out, did it over again, sprayed it, cleaned it. Then we got in there once everything got good and dry, and she ended up repainting everything that was in here to keep it from rusting out and make it look nice in here. Then we got our new batteries in here, got them mocked up, made some new hold downs for these batteries to hold them in place. Also made all new battery cables for all the batteries. We put a new fuse holder in there for the inverter, plus a fuse holder for the house system in there. And then we also added the Victron Smart Shunt in there as we keep an eye on the state of charge of those batteries as well.
How many days do you think I'll last without being plugged in shore powered?
Depends on what all you're running at the time. I mean, if you're at the fridge already cooled down and you're not running a whole bunch of stuff inside, several days at least.
Several days.
Yeah,
Wow.
You're pretty much going to double what you used to run off of it. So if you ran 3 days before, you get 6 out of these batteries a day.
This is such a massive deal because not only do I live on this bus more than I don't, half the time we've got huge celebrities coming onto it to record podcasts, and it is categorically not okay for the batteries to be dead and us to not be able to do what we do. It's so rad. While we're here, why don't we show everybody the inside? Up here we got pins everywhere I do a show on this thing. Well, sorry, red pins everywhere that this bus went to for a show. Black is where we went with the Prevost, and white was where we winged it with no bus. This is our studio, the Wild Ride Podcast Studio. There's fan art all over the place. My naughty autograph this guy made. Got Sweet Wendy. She's retired now. We used to bring her on the bus, but she's scared of it, so she lives on the ranch now. And yeah, plenty of bucks. One over the cab, an extra one we built right here, $2 right here. And wow, how about this? I can click the button and the light actually turns on for once. That hasn't been the case for way too long. Come on into my bedroom. Yeah, I complain about the RV, but man, it comes with a washer dryer. It's awesome. Up for the final test. Yes. I'm in good shape, and I cannot thank you guys enough. Inverter Service Center, you all Battleborn batteries. Man, thank you for having my back and making me assured that I'm going to get my work done.
All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Like always, if you got any questions about this or you want to get a battery install like this one done on your rig, give us a call, 800-621-1271.